Hey Forfolk, here's how to play Above and Below by Red Raven Games on the Forteller web app. First, start by finding a redemption code, either from a crowdfunding campaign or from buying it on our web store. You can take this redemption code and enter it onto the account screen on forteller.gg after logging in. Now that we're logged in, you can see the game on your game library. Tap on the game, and you'll either be presented with the opportunity to create a campaign or continue one if this isn't your first time playing. Type in whatever name you would like to use, then tap Create. What we can see now is the game screen. Let's highlight a couple of its features. First, the search bar. This is most likely the way you'll be interacting with the game, as it's pretty simple to play Above and Below with the Forteller web app. To use the search bar, simply type in the number for the encounter you'd want to visit. In this case, I'm going to type 10. You'll see any results with 10 in the title, but Encounter 10 is at the top. For a more detailed view of any of these encounters, tap the purple box. This is the component list. This will show every encounter and all the choices related to those individual encounters. Either way you choose to access your encounter, go to Encounter 10 to follow along. Now that I've pulled up Encounter 10, I'll see a screenshot from the book showing Encounter 10 that you can read along with as you press play at the bottom of your screen to play that wonderful audio. After listening to that audio, tap the signpost button right next to the play button to show any options or choices that you can make for this specific encounter. In this case, I'm going to choose that I'm going to follow the cries for help, Explore 6. Tapping on this will show me only my rewards. This way we don't spoil anything by showing it to you before you read the audio. This screen has no audio on it, so you'll see that there is no play button at the bottom. At the bottom you can see the reward section. This shows 4 coins, a rope, and +1 reputation. Tapping on the signpost allows you to see those as well. You'll need to type on the signpost to return to the game screen, or you can tap on the map icon at the top left to return and be able to type in the next encounter you'd wish to visit. Alternatively, you can tap on the component icon to the left of where the play button would be. This pulls up the component list, the same one we looked at before. You can pull up any other encounter you'd wish to visit from this page or from the game screen. As a reminder, we've only done the base game content for Above and Below. The Labyrinth or any other expansions are not covered in our narration. Alright, you've learned everything you need to know to play Above and Below with the Forteller Narrative Companion. Have fun! Forteller, your tabletop, our stage.